Every organization depends on assets, buildings, machines, vehicles, production equipment, power systems, information systems, infrastructure. These assets create value every day, but without proper management, they become costly, unreliable, and inefficient. Welcome to ACS Canada Academy. I'm your instructor, and in this episode, we'll begin your journey into world-class asset management. Asset management is a systematic approach to obtaining the greatest value from assets throughout their entire life cycle. It is not simply maintenance. It combines strategic planning, financial decision-making, engineering, operations, risk management, and continual improvement. The objective is to maximize value while balancing cost, performance, opportunity, and risk. ISO 55001 is the internationally recognized management system standard for asset management. It provides a structured framework for establishing, implementing, and improving your systems. Organizations invest billions of dollars in assets. Poor decisions lead to failures, safety incidents, and financial losses. ISO 55001 helps organizations make informed, consistent, and value-driven decisions throughout the life cycle of their asset. The standard can be applied to organizations of every size and across every industry. Whether you're in manufacturing, energy, utilities, or government, ISO 55001 is built for your success. Effective asset management covers the complete asset lifecycle: planning, acquisition, design, operation, maintenance, performance monitoring, improvement, renewal, and finally, disposal. Every stage contributes to long-term value. Organizations implementing ISO 55001 achieve significant benefits. From improved asset performance to better financial decisions, the impact is measurable and transformative. Key benefits include reduced operational risk, greater reliability, optimized maintenance, and improved regulatory compliance. Ultimately, this leads to higher stakeholder confidence and better long-term sustainability. Successful asset management begins with leadership. Top management establishes the policy and strategic direction. Asset management should always support the organization's overall business goals. Every asset decision involves uncertainty. Organizations must identify risks, evaluate opportunities, and analyze information to make decisions that deliver value. Risk-based thinking is a fundamental principle of ISO 55001. ISO 55001 encourages organizations to plan systematically. This includes resources, objectives, and investment priorities. Long-term planning helps organizations make better decisions today while preparing for tomorrow. Managing assets requires continuous monitoring and internal audits. ISO 55001 integrates effectively with other standards like ISO 9001 and 14001, allowing organizations to build one integrated business management framework. This course is designed for anyone responsible for managing valuable organizational assets. Throughout this journey, we'll explore every requirement of ISO 55001 using real-world case studies and best practices. Thank you for choosing ACS Canada Academy. Let's begin.